Okay, I feel like we're making progress with this Bekonix app where we are controlling LEDs with various programs or little designs. I started with using this Velcro, which is actually gardening Velcro, and it's one side fuzzy and one side hook. So we can open this up to be a bracelet or a necklace. I've got 3 wires connecting each LED, each Neopixel. I've got little basically labels here on these strands, green being the middle wire, which is the signal wire, black being ground and red being voltage, which is the traditional way of setting it up. Now my ItsyBitsy is running on a battery, little rechargeable LiPo. This ItsyBitsy has a charging port on this little hat here that I had to solder on extra. The backpack, it's called a LiPo backpack. You solder this onto this, and now we can plug our USB in and charge this battery, this little LiPo battery. So that's a unit that, because it's got Velcro on the back of this little Lego piece, we can put it on a belt or on a backpack or just on any shirt pocket, and then we're mobile. Then we can use this whole system to teach our kids how to design fashion and costumes that are electronic, and we can use them to with this Bekonix app and we could play different shows by choosing different programs that we've written. I did something here. I uploaded to the ItsyBitsy hardware one program called End, and what that does is turns off these LEDs. I'll show you how that works. It just shuts off the LEDs. That way we're not draining our battery while we're working on this. There'll be more to come on this. As you can see, there are many, many different choices on Neopixels. This is just one way of doing an adjustable bracelet, necklace, whatever. We'll show you more next video.